Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on Google Sheets, how you can freeze a row. So very often, like in our situation right now, we have a lot of produce here as a list. However, if we scroll down, you can see something happens. We want to freeze this row. So how do you do this quickly? Well, very simple. First of all, you just go to View. And once you click on view, you have a freeze option, and then this is really nice. You can control the amount of rows you want to freeze. You want to freeze one row, two rows, and you can control anything depending on what you select here. So let me show you first this one. This is the most important one, because right now we want to only freeze the top row. So how do you do that? Just click on this, and there you are. So if we scroll down now, this is beautiful because now our rows are quickly frozen and we can scroll down without any problem at all. So this is really how you can freeze a single row in Google Sheets.